Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a foundation to match your skin tone perfectly, you've got to try out this one by Almay, My Best Light. I have it in the light shade. It blends in so easily. What I love about it is it really matches my skin tone. So you can see as I put it on, it started off white, and then as I just keep blending it, it just slowly but surely starts to match my skin tone. As you can see, my face has a lot of red in it, and it's pretty sensitive. My skin is sensitive, my eyes are sensitive, but this foundation doesn't bother me at all. It's oil and fragrance free. That's what I love about it. And as I'm putting it on and just blending it in, rubbing it in, you can see that little by little, the redness starts to fade away. I like that I feel as though I'm wearing no makeup at all. It doesn't cake, it's just very light feeling, and it's not oily. So if you're looking for a lightweight cream that helps to even out your skin tone, I love that it takes away the redness from my skin. Try this one out by Almay. I think it's super, and that's my point of view.